This is everything you need to know about some easy spring garden updates. Hi, my name's Beck, and welcome to our recently rejuvenated outdoor space. I'm going to show you around a bit and give you our top considerations when it comes to you updating your outdoor space just in time for the warmer months. So let's get into it. Let's start with revitalising your outdoor furniture. Now, you don't need to replace everything. Often just a fresh coat of paint, some minor repairs, or new cushions can work wonders. If you've got timber furniture that's showing signs of ageing due to UV or weather exposure, you can bring it back to life by giving it a gentle sand before applying an oil or stain to bring back its vibrancy. You can also bring a pop of colour to your outdoor space by painting older furniture in a new bright colour, just like this chair. When choosing furniture for the outdoors, make sure you factor in durability and weather resistance to ensure longevity when it's exposed to the elements. If you're considering creating entertaining space in your home, you'll need to consider the types of activities that you want to host in the area, as this will also dictate what types of furniture and what other features you'll need to have in your home. For example, an outdoor kitchen with a sink, fridge, barbecue and a prep area is a great option for those who want to share meals outside, as it saves you from running back inside to the main kitchen all the time. An outdoor dining space with ceiling fans, some heaters, lighting and maybe a drinks trolley nearby would be the perfect addition to the outdoor kitchen, and that way it'll allow you to entertain from day into the night. A seating area inclusive of a pizza oven creates a more relaxed entertainment space and provides a great spot to relax with friends. Making pizzas with friends is a fun activity to bring people together. Shade is a critical factor to consider when planning or updating your spring garden. It's essential to think about how the space will be used throughout the day and the seasons. By thinking about where you incorporate shade, you'll make space more enjoyable and safe for everyone. These portable raised garden beds are great for renters, balconies and small spaces. They're also a great consideration for areas that are paved, decked or where there's no access to the soil. They're perfect for growing herbs and other shallow-rooted produce like tomatoes and my favourite, strawberries. When considering outdoor accessories, current trends seem to focus on sustainability and comfort, with Bunnings solar lights being a popular eco-friendly choice. Some of the best ways to light up your garden this spring include spotlighting garden features such as established trees, pathway lighting, as well as decorative lighting such as these festoon lights and outdoor lamps. Outdoor rugs can enhance the aesthetics, while fans and patio heaters extend the usability of outdoor spaces in all weather. Storage like this box here is also important to consider because you can use it to store your cushions in and keep them out of the weather. Planting for spring colour is a must, and the options are endless. We've chosen a variety of plants, including this daisy, which is an excellent ground cover. Marigolds, violas, lavender and pansies can also add a splash of colour to any space. They also look fantastic in pots, but just make sure you use a quality potting mix. When planting, make sure you plan your plants for visual impact, considering height, texture and colour combinations. We've also added screening, which not only provides privacy, but also creates intimate spaces within the garden. When thinking about screening areas, first identify areas in your garden that need privacy. Then choose a type of screen that matches your garden's style and offers the desired level of privacy. You might also consider using screening to hide areas in your garden that are less visually appealing, like a neighbour's house, a washing line, or the garbage bins. And there you have it. That's our list of the top things you need to consider for your spring garden refresh. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.